Hey guys, so I'm trying out a new recipe right now. This is what we're gonna try. I'll leave the ingredients at the end for you guys to know what you have to do. Trying out a new recipe. It's the first time that we're actually trying out this recipe. We bought some cauliflower, and my mom usually does it differently, but I found an easy to follow recipe on Pinterest. It's on my board if you guys want to see it. I'll put the instructions and everything. So it's the first time that we're making it. So as you guys previously saw, that I was mixing all the ingredients. So what you'll need is 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. I put a little bit more just because 1 teaspoon felt like it was just a little bit. So I added just a teensy bit more. And then I added the salt, the black pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. So it also says that we need Parmesan cheese, but we don't have any Parmesan cheese, so we're going to use a different kind of Parmesan, because you need to grate it. It says half a cup of grated Parmesan, but since we didn't have Parmesan cheese to grate, we just used another kind of cheese. So that I'm going to have to add till afterwards, but first we need to put it in the oven and let it bake for 15 minutes. Then we're going to take it out, flip it over, and then we're going to add the cheese on top. So, this is the first time making it, so I'll have the instructions in the beginning of the video and at the end of the video, just so you guys can follow the instructions or whatever. So yeah, that's pretty much what I wanted you guys to tell you, what was it that I was adding into the bowl. So you'll need a couple of instruments. You'll need your tablespoons and your spoons, whatever, mixing. Then you'll need the half a cup measurement. And then, yeah, that's pretty much all you'll really need. And then you'll need the bowl that you're gonna mix it all in, all the ingredients together. And then the actual thing that you're going to put in the oven to bake. So, yeah, that is pretty much what you'll need. So this is the recipe's name. Cheesy baked cauliflower. This is how it's supposed to look. I don't know what the green things are. No, push the timer. This is the prep and cool time. The cook time, and the total time. So these are your ingredients, your instructions, and how it's going to look at the end. Okay. See? And then you can find more stuff. Mashed cauliflower, sauteed curried cauliflower. And yeah, that's pretty much, this is how it's supposed to look. So I will show you guys how it looks when it's been baked for 15 minutes and when we flip it. So I will see you guys then. that we added, since we didn't know what it was in the picture, we added some green bell peppers. So now we're just gonna let it cool down and eat. We added extra cheese because my mom wanted it a bit cheesier. So this is how it looks.